everybody, I'm the Princess of Burps, and I need to prove that I'm better than my mom of burping.
You're shrinking him.
Oh, hi everybody. Sorry. Hi everybody, I'm the Princess of Burps, and I'm going to prove I'm better burper than my mom.
Swallow bubbles.
See, the burp comes out of my throat and it goes up.
Okay,
Well,
now.
I burp more than my mom.
Okay, well, this is what I want you to do. Swallow a whole bunch of bubbles. Don't burp. Just keep swallowing bubbles. Just keep swallowing bubbles. So you get a big, long burp. Okay, so keep swallowing bubbles, Mama.
Okay, now I feel like I'm gonna puke. For real.
Okay, don't puke.
Just kidding.
Nice, Mama. Good one. Nice.
I almost bit that one. I'm like,
So do you think you're better than your mom?
yep.
You do? What? Are you serious? Show me what you got, sister. Come on, little mama.
That was bigger.
Than mine?
No, like,
Not really.
huh?